Hello students, in this video we will learn about like and unlike fraction. What are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? We already learned about the fractions in class 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, and in this video we will discuss two types of fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. Then what are like fraction and unlike fraction? Let us take an example. Our first fraction is 2 by 3 and another fraction say 3 by 8. If we have to check that fraction 2 by 3 and fraction 3 by 8 are like fraction or unlike, how can we identify? So if we have to identify, then we have to check only the denominator part. Denominator of first fraction. In this first fraction, the denominator is 3. This is the denominator of first fraction, and in second part, the denominator is 8. Both the fractions have different denominators. That's why these two fractions, 2 by 3 and 3 by 8, are unlike fractions. If two fractions or the denominator of fraction is different, then we say the fractions are unlike. Then what about like fraction? Let us take one more example. Example 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. In these fractions, the denominator part is 4 and both have same denominator. That's why these are called like fractions. After that, our next part is comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. If we have to compare two or more than two fractions, how can we compare? If our question is here 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. If these are the three fractions, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, we already know that these all three are like fraction because their denominator part is 4, 4 and 4. So it is easy to compare all these three fractions. If we have to compare, then we have to consider only the numerator part of this fraction because the denominator part is same. So 3 by 4, then 2 by 4 and at last 1 by 4. So this is the comparison between these fractions. In case of like fraction, then what happens when the fractions are unlike, then how can we compare that fractions? If the question is about unlike fraction, like we have to compare 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. These both are unlike fraction, and if we have to compare, then we have to only do the cross multiplication. We have to multiply like this. 7 is multiplied by 2 and 5 is multiplied by 3. So in left side 2 multiply 7 and in right side 3 multiply 5. And we also know that 2 7 is 14 and 3 5 is 15. So 15 is greater than 14 means the fraction 3 by 7 is also greater than 2 by 5. In this way we can compare the unlike fractions.